Oh, hey, they're making a CAD. I wonder what could go wrong with that. Alright! Since none of you know how to fucking read, we're gonna have to going over this shit. Okay, so step one, fucking log in with Discord. And once you log in, it's gonna show you this. You're gonna authorize it so this Sonoran can link with your Discord account. Yippee! Once you log in with Discord, sometimes it'll look like it didn't log you in. Just wait a second, it'll log you in. Now you're gonna press join community, and then you're gonna get the community ID, which is on the roleplay guide. So as you can see on the roleplay guide, the thing that you guys did not want to read, that right there is our community ID, Akron RP. So I'm going to type in Akron RP and the community guide, or not the community guide, the community, and this will pop up. I'm going to press join to join the community of Akron Roleplay. And this is where most people get stumped. Oh my god, how do I get a permission key? It said 30 people. Huh. What am I meant to do? Oh god. If only the guide told me what to do. So you're gonna do in Sonoran CAD. So you're gonna go to the top right. You're gonna click on this. You're gonna go to your settings. In your settings, you will see account secret ID. This is basically your fucking social security number for the CAD. Do not fucking share this. Identity theft is not a joke. Then we're gonna hop on over to Discord, which is our next thing that we need. And in Discord, you're gonna go to the lovely commands channel. And in commands, you're gonna type link me. Enter. Enter. Then it's gonna ask you, what is your secret ID? You're gonna paste that ID, kablam, and submit. The bot will think, and once the bot's done thinking, it'll tell you that you're linked, which is lovely. Because now all you have to do is type /sync. Not community. Don't press community. Now your permissions are synced. Now you'll have access to civilian, DMV, law, police, blah, blah, blah. The only ones you're going to use are civilian and police. And you only use police if you're on a police team. So civilian is where you can make your characters. I already have a character made, but let's say I did not. I want to make a new one. I'm going to make the trooper that everyone knows and loves, Josh M. Jordan. M stands for middle initial, by the way. All you have to do is fill out the name and the date of birth. That's all you have to fill out. Make sure that you give your character a realistic age. Obviously, if they're a cop, they're going to have to be over 21. It's March 20th, sure. Age 21. Male. Boom. Oh, that's all you have to fill out. You don't have to fill out anything else if you don't want to. And we're going to add character. Voila. My civilian has been inputted into the CAD. You don't have to do civilian if you're trying to just be a cop, but this is useful. To return back to the community menu from here, you click in the top right. Community menu. For police, you're going to go to police. And then while in here, you're going to press new unit. While looking at this, you're going to fill out all your information. I'm going to fill out mine. And the location tab, don't fill that out. That will get automatically filled out once you link yourself to the game. You're going to save that. So now we're going to go into the game. And once you are in game, you are going to open up your in-game phone. You're going to go to settings. You're going to scroll all the way down to Sonoran API key, to which we're going to copy this code. Once you have this code, you can now Alt-Tab and open up our
unit to 211 just occurred approximately 15 to 20
CAD,
minutes ago from 4th and Brooklyn.
You're going to go to System,
Hampton, which used
Settings,
suspect for 3 male
and you're gonna press
Hispanics, all
New
wearing
API,
white, number 1 wearing a white cap.
which you're going
Take it
to
was
add this
$20
one. If you had another
US
one,
currency
just press the
and
little X, it'll
miscellaneous
delete
change.
it.
Suspect
Once
relaxing,
your
running
API is
southbound
in,
from 4th and Brooklyn.
wait a second. So once it populates underneath, after waiting a second, you're going to know that your location is being tracked. To navigate yourself through the dispatch menu in your MDT is relatively easy. In order to dispatch yourself, let's say I want to connect myself to a call that I'm currently on. I'm going to press self-dispatch, which will turn the button orange. This is where I could actually edit it, and I'm changing the call. So I'm going to go to, say, observed. Call status active. 3. Address Little Rock Highway. I'm at Postal 2000 at City Gas on Little Rock Highway. And my code, I'm on a traffic stop. Whiskey 420. Voila. I'm going to then create the call. Once the call is created, it takes a second sometimes.
New dispatch, 1011 traffic stop, Little Rock HWY, 2000.
Now that my call is created, I'm going to assign myself as the primary unit and also have it track me in case I get into a 1080. And I'm going to update the call to set myself as the primary unit. You can press self-dispatch again so that I'm not editing any of this information. This is just the call. Requesting 32. Something simple like that. Just so dispatch knows I want a 32 without having to change my voice channel from talking with the suspect. Okay, now that my scene is code 4, everything's wrapped up, I'm just going to press self-dispatch again. I'm going to update the call status to closed to close the call. Update it. Now my call is gone. So let's say I decide I want to connect myself to another call. What I would need to do is I would need to go and press the self-dispatch button. Once it's orange, I can then go and click here, to which it'll show me this dispatch menu. This only shows up if you have self-dispatch on. If you do not, it'll just show you the live map. If you go to self-dispatch, you'll have access to the dispatch tab, where you can go to active calls, and I can now see there's a fight in progress at the gas station. I'm going to then connect myself to the call, attach the call.
New dispatch, 1010 fight in progress, Little
I am
Rock
now connected to the
HWY,
call.
2000.